Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the top prepaid credit cards in Canada for 2024, perfect for both beginners and expert investors. Let's get started with the Neo Money Card. This card is highly regarded and has no annual fees or minimum deposit requirements, with a maximum deposit limit of $200,000. The card offers an impressive average of 5% cashback, making it a standout choice. Some of the pros include the ability to build your savings with competitive interest rates on funds held in the Neo Money account, free Interac e-transfers, bill payments, and mobile bank-to-bank transfers. Additionally, you can earn an average of 5% unlimited cashback at thousands of Neo partners, including local businesses. However, the cashback you receive can vary depending on where you shop, but Neo guarantees a minimum of 0.5% cashback every month. This card is often suggested as the best overall prepaid card. Next up is the Koho Prepaid MasterCard, which is excellent for credit building. It comes with an annual fee of $48 and offers a rewards rate between 0.25% and 5% with no minimum deposit and a maximum deposit limit of $200,000. They also offer a free 30-day trial. The pros of this card include a low annual fee, the ability to earn 5% interest on your balance, and cashback on eligible purchases ranging from 0.25% to 5%. However, the cons are that the credit building option is not included for free, and there is no insurance coverage. For novice investors, the Wealthsimple card is a great choice. This card has no annual fees and offers a rewards rate of 1%. It requires no minimum deposit, and the maximum deposit is unlimited. One of the key advantages is that you can use a Visa or MasterCard debit card to instantly deposit up to $3,500 per day, with a monthly maximum of $35,000. You can also build an investment portfolio by transforming cashback rewards into stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies deposited directly into a trading account. However, there are some cons. There are no brick-and-mortar locations for Wealthsimple customers, so you need to be comfortable managing your money online. Additionally, there is a $5,000 per day spending limit. ATM withdrawals are capped at $500 per transaction, and cryptocurrency investments are subject to a 1.5% to 2% fee. Lastly, for international spending, the CIBC Conversion Visa prepaid card is an excellent option. This card has no annual fees and allows you to load up to 10 foreign currencies from 45 countries, avoiding conversion fees when making purchases in those currencies. Supported currencies include Canadian dollars, US dollars, euros, British pounds, Australian dollars, Japanese yen, Hong Kong dollars, Turkish lira, Swiss francs, and Mexican pesos. Additionally, you won't be charged foreign transaction fees, which can save you up to $35 in fees for every $1,000 spent in a pre-loaded foreign currency. The downside is that you cannot use this card to transfer money to friends or family. In summary, while all these prepaid credit cards offer great benefits, each one has a specific use case. For travelers, the CIBC ICAC Conversion Visa prepaid card is ideal. Beginners might prefer the Wealthsimple card, while those looking to build credit should consider the Koho Prepaid MasterCard. For an all-around great option, the Neo Money Card is a solid choice. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. See you in the next one.